guys, welcome to Carrosserie Prisme. Today we're gonna have a look at this Audi A4. This one's a 2013 Audi A4. This one we got a couple things to do. First of all, let's start on the right side. So for this one here, we got a little rust in front of the front fender. Some rust right here. If we go a little more back, here you saw the guy got hit. He got hit right here. So basically this part right here was like inwards for an inch or so. So basically we pulled this out right now. We're actually working to get it sanded and painted. It got some rust on the rear fenders too. On both sides, both front and back. So we're gonna get this fixed. Also, I forgot to say the roof. The roof right here got a lot of rust up in the corner, left corner. So we're gonna get this fixed. You guys are gonna see the footage and we'll talk about this later.
Perfect, perfect.
Hey guys, we're back on the Audi. So for this one, everything was painted. For this time, we're doing a video in the paint room. There's kind of a lot of cars outside, so we gotta work with it. So for this one, as you can see, the paint was on the front two fenders. So on the other side, we'll have a look after. The roof was painted also. There was a lot of rust on the roof. Here in the back, if you come a little closer, you can see here everything was paint matched. So the paint is very like you just did it. So I'm trying not to touch. But if you can see on the side here, there was a lot of scratches and it was like it was pushed in. So everything is back on. It looks very nice. It looks really like original. And if we go look at the other side almost the same thing. Let me just squeeze in here. There you go. Fender here, same thing, just painted. Looks very, very nice. So we'll show you the final product of this one. I'll do like a 360 video of the car, how it looks once it gets out. It's gonna get washed and the car will look very nice. So we'll have a look at this in a second. So this is the final product of the Audi that we were working on all these days. So there you go. This is complete. Everything looks super nice. There's no more rust on the roof of the car. There's no more rust on the fenders. Everything looks super nice. We just got the car buffed completely. So the client is very satisfied. The client is going to be on his way very, very soon. So we're trying to make this video super quick before the client shows up. So as I told you, no more rust on the roof, no more rust on the fenders. All the car looks very nice. We just got it washed. So we're very proud of this one. Guys, if you like watching more things like this, like body work and painting, please follow us, Carrosserie Prisme. Go in the subscribe button on the video below and press the bell notification button so you're gonna get notified when we do a new video like this. Hope you liked it. See you on the next one.